I wanted to show you my Kpop corner. I moved my computer desk like 2 months ago, and I have created a little sanctuary for me. It's pretty cozy. I have like my lights that I used to use in my makeup videos. I don't do makeup videos anymore. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm not feeling it. I feel better listening to K-pop and going through photo cards. But I'm gonna show you. First up, I have some BTS albums here, August D, and I have Jin. And then I have Monstax down here, which is a really funny story. Wow, I thought I was recording. Anyway, I guess I'll start from this side. I have August D poster. I love him. Heart, love, sugar. I also have like my tiny tans up there. And my sister bought me that duck. Has nothing to do with K-pop, but it's like a cow duck. And then I have those two Skazoo like knockoffs, because then I have the Leave It. Yeah, and then Sungmin. I have Sans Potato. Stray Kids poster, I believe from 8. And I have BTS Butter. That is the biggest poster I've ever freaking seen for the K-pop, but whatever. And then I have the Stray Kids one from Hop. I love it. Look at all of them. Look at Lino. Sungmin, Han, my bias. Love him. And then this is where my albums are. So let's go through them. I'm not gonna pull them out, but I'm gonna show them to you. First up, my light stick. My plan is to put my signed things here, but I haven't made it to that yet. All of these are Karma. I have 2 5-star digipacks. I've been buying them on Walmart.com. I have a poster in here I have to hang up. I have all of the Karma accordions plus 1 compact. And then I have the 8 letter. Then I recently got these. I think I just want member specific from now on for this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna stick to Han because he's my bias. Han or Lino, because Lino is number 2. You can't have Han without Lino. I'm sorry. Here are my Hop accordions, which I do have more of them coming before I made this decision. Plus all of my 8 accordions. I have 2 Felix 8 accordions, so I stopped buying the random things, and now I'm just gonna buy the ones that I need if I plan. I don't know yet. I have all of the, what is this? The Chick Chick Boom, the 8 albums. I have all 3 of them. I have the red one of Hop. I have Rockstar. I have both versions. I feel like there's a third, but I'm not certain. I have 1 of the 5-star. 1 of the Maxident. This is the Heart album. I have Yellowwood. I only have that one. Oh, this is the first one to it, right? Yeah, okay, so I have Miro and Yellowwood. And then out of this group, I only have I Am You. I have Mixtape. I recently got this. And then all of these Karma ones. Okay, now I have you sitting on the floor. I have Sui from Twice. 2 of each version for This Is 4, and then I have 2 of the digipacks. I decided I'm not going to collect all of the digipacks. I believe that's Momo, and I can't remember. Daeon. My sister bought me this. This is Ooyoung. K-pop Demon Hunters, which I regret buying. This is for Confetti. Chaeyoung, her birthday one, Little Fantasy. I think it's really cute. Geo. This is the Strategy album. And then Sui, a little digipack. I think to go with her first album, which is this one. And then I have ATEEZ. A ton of their golden hours.